Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fans of Gaming. We're doing February 2024 STL file. We got two more of these videos and we're done for it. Subscribe, like, and share. We're looking at D&D, Warhammer, anime figure, prints and stuff that you guys do if you're interested. Bruno Art 3D STL is another video game Marvel DC anime figure prints. So we have Power Girl that's coming up. Judge Anderson, or female version of Judge Dredd, I guess. I never watched Judge Dredd, so or read the comic books for it. We got Psylocke as well, and looks like Sif from the from Thor, and Scalene from Underworld. What else do we have? Celine stuff. Oh, these are probably download links for all of these stuff. So there's that. Bruno Art 3D STL. BioBreed, I believe, is another anime figure as well. Let me see. This is Welcome Pack. Bat Wolverine. Can we semi. Samri, Mistress of Martial Art. And we got the. I forgot what this is called. I think this one is. By the way, these are two options for her loincloth and no loincloth. Okay, She. It's one of the very old comics, my father's era, but never looked at it. But if you're interested, there you go. Dragon Rest. This is terrain for D&D, and we have the extra chasm for February. So these are all clipped together. You can make your own little chasm and dungeon and so forth as well, if you're interested of building and so forth as well. And your bottom part, you can add more to the bottom as well. It's actually pretty interesting. I would like to get an FML printer. I think this would be a lot better if you print FML than resin. Resin probably a little more chalky in a bit. Neko figurines, anime figure. We got Fern from the Journey's End, I believe the anime is called. I've been watching it. So far, I enjoy it. Let's see here. What we have for February. Surprise from Bulkmancer. Forget where she's from. Makoto Yuki from Persona 3. Beat the game, platinumed it. So if you want that figure, go get it. And Arca wannabe manga version. So there you go. But yeah, announcement for 2024. Building for hub member would be paused from outward. Oh, this is December. Yeah, there was a pause for January, so this will be it. SwanNet 3D, another STL 3D as well. I don't know if you're getting anything from December, January. This is February test. So I don't know what's happening there. So yeah. Usually she shows a lot of pictures of it. A lot of his print is freaking huge too. So I'll put a link down if you guys are interested in looking at what he has. Ruben, another anime figure as well, and they're finally able to get it. This one, I don't know who she is, but you guys may know. Put down comments down as well. They got Albedo as well for their figure, and this would be the March release right here. And we get there as well. Village Hope miniatures. If you like it, let's see. They're back right now, so you're gonna get some. I think Oni and Cat Guy, the Lion Dancer. But yeah, this will be it. I think there'll be more of it, but I just came back just recently, so hopefully they'll release more stuff. Dark Factory, I think they're doing more of Power Dark Factory is you pay, you get points, and you use that points to redeem a file for it. It is not that great, I would say, but if you're interested, I wish you please do read up on it. I'm trying to get this guy last time. It just gave me like 6 points, but I need 12 points to get it. But I pay for that month. Uh, it's I don't know if you're going to do for like they do a lot of Dark Eldar stuff. Just letting you guys know. Beast Mode miniatures. Looks like nothing came out for them. Arrow waifus. Another figure. You're gonna get rendering Sekko. Everybody's pre-trip support. Let's go for this model. Last day of February. Okay. So yeah, Psycho. For your pleasure need from High School of the Dead. This one is 3D Fortress. Let's see what we have. Do anything for February? Let's see here. Another large STL file. Okay. Let's see what 3D Fortress has. So it's like, what you call it? BattleTech and some other stuff that you can buy proxy for your Warhammer as well. I don't know. New tanks. Okay. We got Nation Radiria. Nation Dura 3D Studio. You got Sailor Jupiter, looks like it. That's gonna come up. And Sailor Mercury as well. Sailor Mercury just released in January. But yeah, so you have Sailor Jupiter for this month. Pegasta, another figure as well. I think for February, we're going to get Cynthia. I don't think it's done yet for it. You got Angel Woman as well. Angel Woman. And Stone Maiden. Sword Maiden. From Goblin Slayer. Going as fast as I can. Okay, Anderson Castro. We have Rob Lucy. I have not watched that far into One Piece. Not really a big fan. Got Rob Lucy right here as well. So it looks like Rob Lucy will be your guy for this month. For My Mini Factory version, Legend Grim. I don't know what we have for February for Legend Grim. Hopefully we get something juicy. It's actually another D&D stuff that's pretty good. I'll put down the tribe for it. That's February release. So yeah, here we go. We got some kind of dragon, nightmare, some undead stuff. Next one is what? Art and Studio for a monthly release. We got Angels for this month for Art and Studio. But well, hopefully it'll be kind of good for it. But anyhow, let's see what else we got. Frontier coming. It's just a lot of crap. It's a lot of stuff for this week. We got one more part of February. Thursday, and we'll get a lot of the rest, the remainder of the stuff out, and get everything out for you guys. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord. I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.